Oh yeah, it's super cool. I'm fixing
I can't smell out of my nose. I imagine what you're smelling is smelling really pretty good. Where'd all the lighting go?
I've seen some over here. Oh, whoa. That is turning color.
Where?
Up right in front of us.
Oh, yeah.
We have kind of a green shading right there. You can see it on the video.
Keep it on JDO, keep it on JDB mobile. He was there. He said after he went through a bunch of water, so I don't know what happened there. Maybe not yet, so he's out of the county. He's in Wayne.
Okay.
Oh man, the north is looking funky. Whoa. They said something about this being off and on for the rest of the evening, so...
So hopefully we'll be able to close things up here shortly. This is KC9 QAW, Henry County, Scott 1.
Close their net down up there here very shortly. For now anyway, so it looks like the worst of it's through there. Okay. Yeah, it looks pretty calm through here. I don't think there's much severe with it. Okay, yeah. That's kind of what I just heard on 4-5, so I just thought I'd give you an update. Okay, I appreciate it. I'm at Faith Central now. Okay, well, I think that I don't know what's developing behind it, but our temperature's still up quite a bit,
man,
so we'll see. Yeah, I don't know either. I'm going to park here at Faith Central for a few minutes. I got a good view to the west and north, and I'll look at what they're saying. Okay, I'll be monitoring, and we'll see what happens here.
I'm going to take my seatbelt off. I feel a little bit safer.
And a WGR.
Yeah.
And drop my They're good. I still got my cough drop.
North, man. That's a weird cloud. It's a really weird cloud.
Campground, meet the security officer at the gate, reference to a break-in. It's going to be in section 3, lot number 186.
48, NDMQ, 1 second here, man.
48.
Kind of watching for some more bolts to come out of those clouds over here.
And we are pulling from Richmond at this time. VFR electrical.
Oh, we got that one.
Following.
So they can come out of the clouds. That's what it was doing before.
That was pretty cool.
But you can tell the storm's basically over when it's doing that too.
5532.
Fail.
Maybe.
Alright, this is KC9.
Jarky, when I'm JW. And just to update you, I'm out on the porch, by the way. Newcastle just now took their net down. Nothing severe in Henry County at this present time. I'm just now looking at the radar loop here, and it looks like, yeah, it's moved out completely of Henry County. They dropped the warning for it, so there's no warning with this cell at all. It's moving to the southeast of us. I think it might hit Liberty. The only really big storm looks like it's going to move into Greensburg at this point. Yeah, that's what I was thinking. That one to the south down there. And I don't know the direction of travel on it. That's really the only cell of concern right now. Yep, and it's going to be south of us. This one is building up a little bit low.
Oh, man.
Really?
So
That was
if
bright.
anything, I might need to head east towards county. But
Got my camera
I
stationed
say
back
right
there.
now it's not severe.
I'm seeing stuff in the back.
Just depends
Yeah.
on what builds in between these two storms. Okay, well, yeah, that one north of us, the one north of us is definitely falling apart, and the one in Greensburg will watch.
That is some funky looking stuff going on back here.
Okay, alright,
Yeah.
cool. Alright, keep me posted.
Okay.
Will do. And an MGR but on JB. Yeah, but on JB. MGR.
I love how he says that. Okay, blah, blah, blah. I don't even know what he said.
Oh, boy.
Bingo.
Let me see your card, please.
Okay. Really random.
But now I can listen to it. Not Greensburg, and they're concerned about that storm. So I went the wrong way. Keeping on you. Please identify KB9RBR repeater. Okay. Well, like I said, I'm monitoring the net up on.
Look at that rain
Henry
band
County,
down
and
there.
they're just
Yeah.
general conversation now. They've actually
can see 'em
taken
really
their
well in the
net down.
video.
So for now, it looks like we're okay. Yep, I agree
Hear that?
completely.
For now, it looks like we're okay. For
All right,
now.
man. We'll keep an eye on it. And hopefully it'll just stay like this and we'll be all right. Yep, our famous split worked again. So far, yeah.
Famous split. Think we know about that
I
one.
am seeing lightning to the south now. I think it's building up a little bit further south. So if anything, maybe I need to head south instead of north. You might do that. It may clip
Really?
the southern part of Fayette County, but even then, I don't think it's severe. I think it's
That's what
just
we're looking
a
at.
typical spring thunder shower. Yep, I agree for now. I'll look and see if they have any
Rain damage.
discussions out about it, and then I'll make a decision. But right now, I'm looking at nothing but a little bit of lightning. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking too. I'm sitting here on the front porch. You know, I'm just chilling out, being comfortable.
Oh, yeah, we can roll down the windows now.
What'd you have for supper?
Really?